Hello everyone. In today's lecture, I will be teaching you the geometric constructions which are needed to study before going to the main topics in the engineering graphics. So what is included in geometric construction? What we have to learn? We have to learn how to bisect a line, how to bisect an arc, an angle, and how to divide a line into the number of required equal number of parts, then how to divide a circle into equal parts, then how the pentagon is constructed and how hexagon is constructed. This all methods we will see in geometric construction. Now I will be making separate videos for each geometric construction. In today's lecture, I will be teaching you how to bisect a line. For this, we will see a general procedure that we use to bisect a line, then we will draw it on the paper using that procedure. So, to bisect a line, first we have to draw a line of a respective length. So, let that line be AB. With center as A, place the compass onto the point A and take a distance which is greater than the length of greater than half of the length of AB. Okay, and draw the arcs on both the sides of this line AB. Similar procedure should be carried out for the center of the line, that is the point B. This A and B are the end points of the line AB. Same procedure, draw the arcs on both the sides with compass on center B. Now we have found out the points of intersection of these arcs. Now draw the line joining these arcs, cutting the line at point E. Now we can see that the line CD cuts the line AB into two equal parts, and also the line CD intersects the line AB at right angles. Now we will draw the same onto a paper. Now draw a length of a particular diameter. Now place a compass on one end of the line as seen here. Okay, this is called as the leading edge of the line. Now I have not given notation, so let that point be A. Now from point A, take a distance which is greater than the half length of AB. So this is the length greater than half of the AB. Now draw the arcs on both the sides. You may draw it fully, or simply you may draw it a small arc. Okay. Now similarly, placing this compass onto the point B, which is at the trailing edge of the line, do the same procedure, draw the arc. Now this arc will intersect the line. This arc will intersect the previous arc drawn from point A, and we will get the diagram as this. Now we have seen, now we will join the 2 points with a straight line which will intersect the line AB. Okay, this line is dividing the line AB into two equal parts, and also it is making an angle 90 degrees with each other. Now you can see the length of the line is 145 centimeters. Therefore, the radius is 7. The half of the length is 70. The length of the line is 140. So after bisection, the line is divided into two equal parts, and this line is making an angle 90 degrees with each other. you can check it using a protractor. So this is nothing but the bisection of a line using a compass. Clear?